Breast cancer remains one of the most prevalent forms of cancer affecting women worldwide, and India is no exception. The early detection of breast cancer can significantly improve treatment outcomes and survival rates. One of the breakthroughs in the early detection and management of breast cancer is genetic testing, particularly for mutations in the BRCA1 and BRCA2 genes. DNA Labs India, a leading genetic testing laboratory, has been at the forefront of providing comprehensive genetic testing services for breast cancer in India. Understanding BRCA1 and BRCA2. BRCA1 and BRCA2 are genes that produce proteins responsible for repairing damaged DNA, thus playing a crucial role in maintaining the genetic stability of cells. Mutations in these genes can lead to significantly increased risk of developing breast and ovarian cancers. Identifying mutations in these genes can help in assessing an individual's risk of developing these cancers. DNA Labs India offers a range of genetic testing services, including the BRCA1 and BRCA2 gene test, which assess an individual's risk of developing breast or ovarian cancer. The testing process involves collecting a blood sample which is then analyzed for potentially harmful changes, mutations in the BRCA1 and BRCA2 genes. A blood sample is collected from the individual opting for the test. This can be done at one of the DNA Labs India collection centers or through their home collection service. The sample is sent to the laboratory where DNA is extracted and analyzed using next generation sequencing technology. This allows for the detection of mutations in the BRCA1 and BRCA2 genes. The results are compiled into a report which includes the mutation status of the BRCA1 and BRCA2 genes. This report is then shared with the individual or their healthcare provider. DNA Labs India has made genetic testing for breast cancer more accessible and affordable. The cost of the BRCA1 and BRCA2 gene test is competitive, making it possible for a larger segment of the population to avail of these tests. Additionally, with over 3,500 sample collection centers across India, DNA Lab India ensures that genetic testing services are within reach of many. DNA Lab India emphasizes the importance of genetic counseling both before and after the test. Genetic counseling helps individuals understand the implications of the test results, the potential risks, and the preventive measures that can be taken if a mutation is detected. This counseling is provided by trained genetic counselors who guided individuals through the decision making process regarding genetic testing and the management of their health based on the test results. Genetic testing for breast cancer, particularly for BRCA1 and BRCA2 mutations, is a critical tool in the early detection and management of breast cancer. DNA Labs India commitment to providing accessible and affordable genetic testing services, coupled with their emphasis on genetic counseling, makes them a leading provider of genetic testing for breast cancer in India. By leveraging advanced technology and a wide network of collection centers, DNA Labs India is making significant strides in the fight against breast cancer, offering hope and empowerment to individuals at risk.